Look at the picture right there in front of you. That is Rudy. Remember, I made a series about 9 video about this bottom feeder youth in Barbados where he hired a hitman to kill Morelan. And Morelan was a hustler. And this guy here, Rudy, they call him Junglist, drum up some story and hire and motivate a hitman to come and get rid of Morelan. And I have been trying to get that hitman picture and get an interview with the hitman. And out of the blue, a youth from Guyana linked me up. I said that him have some information and him have Charlie Hitman, blase. So I am gonna explore that with y'all. Let's go.
200 years ago, a man named Robert Henry, the Speaker of the House at that time, was the owner of this plantation with 234 slaves here that did this same project here with the whip. So we come to do it now without the whip. But the same plantation owners here, they're getting it done still, but they have the money, which is the new whip. Alright? So they have the money, so they use the money to get the land plow. But we, it's who they have to give the money to plant the land.
Dodos of Barbados. Look on the screen.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, wanna just hear a clip with Rudy, okay, aka Dodos of Barbados. You hear me talk about a farming project. That boy there is a straight thief. Them do the project and the dreadlocks on them and the youth them who plant up all the food, them end up not get nothing. And him get all of the money. Straight thief. But here what more I talk to you about. More I refresh on the memory. Now, this guy here, Rudy, from Barbados, and him hire a Jamaican, Hitman, they come to Barbados and kill a youth named Morelan. Now him drum up a argument that the youth was breaking into his bar and all sort of things. But really and truly, he wanted to get rid of the guy because the man was hustling and he knows he's a young youth and the youth them a move up fast. So what he did, him use him experience on the youth and get rid of the youth. Now, a Guyanese guy linked me and say, yo, Countryman, me have information on Rudy and it is the man who him hire to come to Barbados. So I finally get a picture of the hitman and I want to talk to the hitman. So me go unveil the picture right now. One thing to learn about the bottom feeder Rudy. Him is a two-timer because when the man them bring them things from Guyana, Barbados, him two-time the man them and blackballs the man them. rob them, push out the man them, the police and all sorts of things. But like me say, we meet the Guyanese youth and him a give me the link up. So me a go and explain what got happen. Look for the picture there. That are the picture of the Hitman. And you see the man from Guyana who gave me this picture. Him is good friend with the Hitman. And Rudy, that boy, junglist, the dreadlocks guy, robbed the youth there and do not fuck it to the youth. So all of the man them is like them upset at Rudy because what him a do, him a sell the cocoa, bring it, go all over the world. Him use the man them and then him push them out to police and all sorts of things. That is what Rudy do. So the Guyanese guy who gave me this picture, him say him a go link up an interview with me and the Hitman. And the Hitman willing to talk about Rudy and how him do the job for Rudy and Rudy push him out. And by the grace of God, him survive the situation.
Yeah, my wonderful friend. It's me again. Great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on another video. Now, I'm launching a new membership section on this channel. Now, in the new member section or the members section, you will be getting special videos from different islands and different places where I tackle the hard-hitting subject of gang violence. Videos will be uploaded every week, so there will be a total of 4 videos every month on different gangs from different countries. It's gonna be exciting, so stay tuned. Rock with me, rock with Countryman. I explore the dark and gritty subject of gang violence in the Caribbean. Let's go.
Folks, I want to know hang tight because, like me say, the Guyanese youth will get me a link up interview with the Hitman. But we know enough little things with what happened because we know when the Hitman do the job, the Rudy, and kill more man. Him go St. Lucia to chill out. So St. Lucia is a fuck up little place. You understand? And I guess so the Hitman go chill out down in St. Lucia. Now me I tell you something too. Rudy was planning to kill other people. So a lot of them little unsolved murder and shooting and them thing there. If the police in Barbados have any balls, they would have checked out Junglist, OC, Rudy, OC, the ganja farmer who plant up, make the man them plant up the farm and not get nothing. Him dep on the video and him attack and him sound so fucking illiterate. But Him illiterate, you know, but him smart, him is very diabolical. May I play the clip again and listen to how illiterate him sound.
200 years ago, a man named Robert Henry, the Speaker of the House at that time, was on this plantation with 234 slaves here that did this same project here with the whip. So we come to do it now without the whip. But the same plantation owners here, they are getting it done still, but they have the money, which is the new whip. All right? So they have the money, so they use the money to get the land plow. But we, it's who they have to give the money to plant.
Listen to what him just say. All him a say now, I rob him or rob the man them, and him a use them business here. They clean out him drugs business. So him drugs business where him a do, him a use them farming thing here as a rule. And nobody now look for him as a dangerous person to society. But if you can hire a hitman from Jamaica to kill a young youth dog, you is a big time bottom feeder and a big time pussy hole. And like me say, with the video where we just play right there, so him not really say nothing, you can see him not even know what kind of words to use. Him illiterate but him smart. But beyond that, fun and joke aside, we want some justice to the dead man. Morelan. Rudy, you look guilty because me tell you if you give me a call and make we straighten this out. And you never. So now, I have the Hitman picture. And if anybody can help me confirm with the Guyanese man I tell me and the Hitman picture, I can go into the full picture. I just now show the Hitman face right now. So anybody who think them know him and want to give me some info, just WhatsApp me. Take where you make. You should have linked me. Because now people see the video them and are sending mad information. All the hitman, the man them are try line up with. So you make it bad for yourself. And if you did link me, you could have said, yo, Countryman a lie, Ray. I would have believe you. But now when me have people bombard me with information, the Guyanese, you understand, and I offer an interview, link me up with an interview with the hitman and the Guyanese youth, send on a picture. And if anybody know I can identify this hitman here, link me up on WhatsApp. Like I said, I just want to make sure everything credible. But Rudy, you box yourself in a corner. And that was a wrong move. So yeah, I want the people them stay tuned. Cause like I said, interview coming. I mean I keep on the update on Rudy, one of the most dangerous man in a Barbados. I go on like him is a pure Rasta man and a straight criminal. Listen, my name is Countryman.